Let's look at example number 4. So this time we have a new sequence where only from 3 to 7 xn has value, and the value is 0.5 to n. All other points we have 0. So we calculate x omega by definition one more time. Now we only calculate n from 3 to 7. Here is my xn value, right? And times e2 minus j omega n. So, okay, we rewrite it as 0.5, right? e2 j omega, combine them together to n. So this is geometric series. We can find the answer. So here 1 minus the ratio 0.5 e2 minus j omega. Here is your first item in your series, right? 2, 3, right? This is first, minus the last one, plus 1. So here will be 0.5 e minus j omega. 7 plus 1 is 8. So here we get the Fourier transform, discrete Fourier transform for the given sequence xn.